Hi, this video is how to show you how to add the FindTime add-in into Outlook for Windows 10 or 11. So this is if you're looking for a way to share with people your schedule. We can of course recommend Microsoft Bookings, but if there's multiple people involved, the FindTime add-in enables you to poll the folks and enable you to take a sort of a poll or survey about what would work best. So the way to do that is you're going to first go ahead and add that add-in. You're going to see Get Add-ins in your main Outlook window, and you go ahead and click on that. And then that will bring you to a list of all the add-ins. Now I've already installed the Find Time add-in, but I'll show you how that works regardless. So now you can see I'm looking at all my different add-ins, and I'm going to type in here Find Time. And there it is right there. So you can click on it. And as you can see here, it's already installed, but you can go ahead and add that simply by clicking the add button. Um, that's right below the actual icon that you're wanting to install or program. So you'll click that and that will install it. And then once it's installed and you open up an existing email or one that you're replying to, you'll see here that you can add in here the information by using the new meeting poll feature under Find Time. That's a new add-in you'll see on your toolbar. Actually, it's called your ribbon. And so now it's going ahead and it's bringing up that, and I can pick dates and times that I want to make available. Let's say I simply want to make it Tuesday or at 11 a.m. and or I want to pick another day. I'll go ahead and pick a Wednesday, and I'm going to go also do it at 2:30 p.m. Let's say. So that's now going to be added into my timing. And then once those days are selected, we did this. I'm going to go ahead and do this one now. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and next. 2 times selected. It tells me I hit next, and then I can add that to the email, and it will just literally drop it in right there. And so as you can see there, there's 2 options, and anybody can come in here and select those options, and all the information they need is contained within the email body. So that I can go ahead and send it, and we're off and running. Any questions on how to do that, just let me know. I'm at steve@turnertimemanagement.com. There'll also be a link at the end of this presentation if you want to set up a short